everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. And let's say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Kenya. Hi everybody. In this part of the lesson, we're going to go over elbows. How to throw elbow strikes. Okay? So we're going to practice up elbow, power elbow, and then diagonal elbow or cutting elbow. Okay? We're going to practice those three. Throw your hands up just like this. Awesome. All right. Up elbow. We're going to take one side. Doesn't matter which one. We're going to pick our elbow straight up. Now, the way I describe it, kind of like fixing your hair. Okay? So when you do this up elbow, fix your hair like that. Okay? Now, the next elbow we're going to do power elbow. Now, I want you to take this hand, put it on your head like you're sick, okay? Pick up this elbow like this, turn sideways. We're gonna twist our body, power elbow. Now from here, we're gonna do a cutting elbow. We're gonna take this hand, put it on your face like this, like you're waving high, okay? And you're gonna pick up your elbow like this, and we're gonna go across this way, cutting elbow, okay? So let's practice those three together. So I'm gonna say up elbow, power elbow, cutting elbow. Good, awesome. Or diagonal elbow. We'll call it that one for now. Ready? Up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Good, awesome, good. Again, and up elbow, power elbow, diagonal elbow. Good, awesome, good. Two more times. Ready? Up elbow, power elbow, and we'll change up the word, cutting elbow. Awesome, good job. You guys high five? Awesome. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. Now we're gonna practice spinning elbow. Spinning elbow. Okay, now I gotta warn you. Elbows hurt really bad, okay? They don't feel very good. Well, getting hit with anything doesn't feel good, but be extra careful when you're doing this. So if you have any siblings, you're practicing this with your family, your parents, be careful, okay? Make sure you're not too close to anybody, make sure you're not too close to any TVs or anything fragile, okay? So we're gonna do this with control. So we're gonna practice up elbow, power elbow, and then after we do that power elbow, we're gonna skip the cutting elbow. We're going to turn, look over the shoulder, spinning elbow. Now watch, when I do my spinning elbow, I hit, and then I come back to where I started, okay? So like you rewound the video. That's what you're doing, okay? We're gonna go up elbow, power elbow, spinning elbow, okay? And it's important, you step first, look over, come back, okay? Let's do it from this angle. So I'm gonna say up elbow, power elbow, spinning elbow. Okay, awesome, good. Again, up elbow, power elbow, spinning elbow. Awesome, good job. Again, ready? Up elbow, power elbow, spinning elbow. Awesome, good job, you guys. One more time. Up elbow, power elbow, spinning elbow. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Very good work today. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the three exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can. And when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. Nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot, we're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. Everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch out our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Just stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this. Turn them upside down. Place them on the mat gently on the ground. And then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. So really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after me. Really gentle. Hold. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, hold. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Hasse. Yasse. Yigo. Yudere. Hold. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands at the back for that ear, stretching your neck down. And say, hana, do it, set, net, toss it, yas it, ego, get there, aho. Yeah, awesome, good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys, awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang, just hang down like this, no counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yet.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused?
Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.